Spark Alchemy Meditation. One earth, one heart, one love. In the beginning, God created the heaven and the earth. And God said, "Let there be light." And there was light. Now, it is the time for the new beginning. I am a co creator with God, and it is a new heaven that comes as the goodwill of God is expressed on earth through me. It is the kingdom of light, love, peace, and understanding, and I am doing my part of reveal its reality. I begin with me. I am a living soul, and the Spirit of God dwells in me as me. I and the eternal God are one, and all that the eternal God as is mine. In truth, I am the one with God. What is true of me is true of everyone. For God is all and all is God. I see only the Spirit of God in every soul. And to every man, woman, and child on earth, I say, I love you. For you are me, you are my holy self. I now open my heart and let the pure essence of unconditional love pour out. I see it as a golden light radiating from the center of my being, and I feel it is divine vibration in and through me, above and below me. I am one with the light, I am filled with light, I am illuminated by the light, I am the light of the world. With purpose of mind, I send forth the light. I let the radiance go before me to join the other's lights. I know this is happening all over the world at this moment. I see the merging lights. There is now one light. We are the light of the world. The one light of love, peace, and understanding is moving. It flows across the face of the earth, touching and illuminating every soul in the shadow of the illusion. And where there was darkness, there is now the light of reality, and the radiance grows, permeating, saturating every form of life. There is only the vibration of one perfect life now. All the kingdom of the earth respond, and the planet is alive with the light and love. There is total oneness, and in the oneness we speak the world. Let the sense of separating be dissolved. Let the mankind return to Godkind. Let peace come from every mind. Let love flow from every heart. Let forgiveness reign in every soul. Let understanding be the common bond. And now from the light of the world, the one presence and power of the universe responds. The activity of God is healing and harmonizing the planet. Omnipotence is made manifest. I am seeing the salvation of the planet before my very eyes, as all false beliefs and errors patterns are dissolved. The sense of separation is no more. The healing has taken place, and the world is restored to sanctity. This is the beginning of peace on earth, and God will toward all. As love flows from every heart, forgiveness reigns in every soul, and all hearts and minds are one in perfect understanding. It is done, and it is so. So be it. Let Satya Dharma Yugam manifest on this earth. Be one with the truth. Together we can able to make this earth as heaven, paradise. Om Tat Sat. So be it. From the heart of the God. Om Tat Sat. Shivaraj Yogi, Dr. Suresh. God bless you all.